Unit 1 Project Political and Legal Foundations of the Fire Protection. At 1:17 p.m., the fire department received a report of a fire at 614th May Street and dispatched a first alarm assignment including 2 engines, 1 truck, 1 rescue, and a battalion chief. The first arriving company arrived shortly thereafter and reported seeing dense smoke issuing from the eaves of the vents of the house. The first 2-engine company proceeded to the northwest corner of the house and forced open a door. Crews advanced hand lines, quickly discovering the fire involved the area around the TV in the living room. The structure had minor smoke conditions with good visibility throughout the house. Units found heavy to moderate smoke conditions in the living room, giving it near zero visibility. Search and rescue operations were abandoned because the family stated that they just came home from the store and no one was home. After crews mounted the interior attack using an 1 3/4 line, the fire department declared the fire was under control. The lieutenant was completing paperwork and crews were reloading hose, as dispatch issued another fire call, stating with a structure fire with children trapped 3 blocks away. Crews quickly finished loading the house and responded to the fire, leaving the scene unsecured. I'm the fire investigator, and I arrived on scene. The family was gone, and I made entry into the structure to begin my investigation. I began photographing the structure from the exterior to the interior. While examining the evidence, I noted personal items were missing from the house and appeared that furniture was staged with old and outdated furniture and broken TV. Upon further investigation, I noted that there was a device melted behind the TV. I collected the melted device and saw what appeared to be a pour pattern behind the TV towards the kitchen. I collected the samples and the pour pattern and notified law enforcement that I wanted to charge the homeowner with arson. As I finished up my documentation, the homeowners returned to the scene with their attorney. The attorney confronted me and stated I did not have permission to be in the house and collect my evidence, and my evidence should have been suppressed due to chain of custody. The defendant's attorney stated that the evidence obtained was in violation of the homeowner's constitutional rights, including the 4th Amendment right against warrantless searches and seizures. In a court case, Michigan versus Tyler, it was a guideline to fire arson investigators for conforming to the 4th Amendment to guarantee against unlawful search and seizures. In conclusion, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a consent to search an administrative search warrant must be obtained to conduct a search for fire origin and cause when the investigation is not in continuation of the original of entry. Although I feel I have not followed these rules, from my findings in this fire, I have found very suspicious causes, such as the staged furniture, personal belongings misplaced and taken from the fire, and the fact that nobody was home during the time of this fire. As I was concluding my investigation, I also found that it is very odd that out of nowhere the family brings their attorney with them. In conclusion, from the evidence and materials I found at this fire scene, I believe it is an arson fire, but this is for you to decide, Judge, and how you want to go about this is all for you. Thank you.